So hello everyone, welcome to Sunday special class SSC, which is purely based on missing numbers. Okay, so not only missing numbers, we can call it as missing character also. Okay, but whatever it is, these particular concepts are useful for our exams, which are either SSC or bank exams. Why? Because with respect to bank exams also we can expect questions, okay, which are purely based on missing numbers. Basically we can see these kinds of questions in missing numbers, which are in quant, right? So let's see whether it is visible in the screen or not, right? So chalo, it is coming, it is visible. So good evening everyone. So kindly join this session, and today is very interesting session. Why? Because I have got a good number of examples. Okay, so today the quote of the day which I would like to say today is given in the next slide. Okay, so all dreams can come true, but if we have the courage to pursue them. So this is one of the quote which I feel it is right time to say. This quote has been said by Mr. Walt Disney. Okay, so I hope we'll be watching Disney cartoons or Disney movies also. Okay, so this is one of the quote which I would like to add in this particular context. Okay, yeah. So chalo, we'll continue the session with respect to the examples. So today we will be covering the questions which are purely based on missing characters, or specifically we can say missing numbers also. So missing characters or missing numbers, it can be said as anything. Okay, why? Because here characters means we can call it as numbers, letters, sometimes it can be words also, so it can be anything, right? So chalo, let's see different kinds of examples. So these examples are very tricky, important, easy, as well as confusing too, right? So let's see question number 1 of the day. So I have given you the timer at the right top corner also, such that in how much time you will be doing these kinds of questions, it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so just look at this particular question which has been given on the slide. Okay, so see here you can find the characters which are purely based on letters. So this particular question we can call it as letters. So simple. Okay, so 21 are watching now. Yes, very good. Okay, so 21 people are watching now so far. So kindly extend this link to your friends, right? YouTube is free of cost, right? So see what is the answer for this particular question. Let's see. So let's see what are the answers I'll be getting in the comment box. Anyone, right? So see, this question is purely based on letters. So specifically these letters we can call them as vowels. Okay, so Sara Tiwari is saying option number I. Okay, option is I, right? Let's see, answer is I. So see, A, E, I, O, U are vowels basically. Okay, the same vowels you can find here also, but here in this particular question it is from right to left, it is not from left to. This particular first series is from left to right, and here in this particular series it is from right to left. So if you see A, E, I, O, U, so exactly, right? So we have got good number of answers from Sara, Sandeep, Hariom. Very good. Okay, so yes, so this is what the thing which we are supposed to understand with respect to these kinds of concepts, right? So make sure that words which are in the sequence, letters which are in the sequence are being repeated or not. Just we need to check with respect to that thing. Okay, yes, nice, very good. So now I'll be taking with respect to question number 2. Check once with respect to this particular question, right? So question number 2, check once with respect to this particular question. So I'm getting some responses, so let's see. Right, so far 28 people are watching, so kindly make your friends to join this session. This is very easy session which is purely based on missing numbers. So any answer for this particular question, let's see. So I have given you the timer as well, right? Check once. I'm not getting any of the answers in the chat box, so might be due to time delay. Why? Because live streaming, and with respect to this there will be a gap of 20 seconds. Okay, so I'll be 20 seconds ahead of you, right? So that might be the issue. So look at this particular question. Better if I would have used, so Sara Tiwari is saying option O. Okay, O, option B. Adarsh is also saying option B. Right, let's see. Now see, B, S, I, M, C, T, D, J, N, D, U, K. You cannot find everything in the right pattern. So right pattern, it is not present. Right? So that's why let's split the series. Split the series. So simple. Like see, B, then C, then D. Here you can find this. Right? Then similarly, S, T, U, simple, then I, J, K. That means if you look at this particular question, the words, the letters which are being present, they are purely based on next letters, but there are different letters which are in between them. Okay, so these kinds of questions might get little bit confused. So I am getting some answers from Sandeep, Apurva, Sandesh, Shurivamsi, Keshavnath Singh. Yes, Jai Hind sir, Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Right. So now let me take you to the last pattern. So see, M. So very good, everyone is giving the good responses. So M, N. So next, here I have got K already. So M, N, next letter will be O. So obviously our answer is option number B. Simple and very easy. Right. So I hope this particular question example is clear. So very good, everyone has given a good answers, exactly right answers. Okay, now let's go with respect to the next question, question number 3. So look at this particular question. Let's see. Yeah, take your time, take your time. So I am getting options from Keshvendra Singh. Option, I mean answer is E. Right? So let's see. Why? Because with respect to missing numbers which are in SSC, we will be getting only 4 different options. Right? So again, E we are seeing. Right? So let's see how it is E. So obviously our answer is E. Let's see how it is E. Right? So see, Q. We know that Q position is 17. Okay, so in order to get the position of each and every letter, we will be using this keyword called edge or T. So edge or T, multiples of 5, simple, 20, 25. Then Q position is 17, then Z position is 26. So here, first and foremost thing, if you see, these are the circles followed by 4 different lines which are given outside the circle. Right? That means this, the middle which is in the circle, the character which is middle, which is in the circle, is the resultant of the remaining 4. Remember that. This concept is very easy. Right? So see, P position we know it is 16 already. Then L position is 12. So try to add. Okay. So 16 plus 12, 28. 28 plus 26, 54. 54 plus 17, 71. Okay. In between 71 and H, we don't have the exact relation. So I am getting answers as option, answer as E. Very nice, very good, everyone. So see, so we know that in order to get the position of H, so we know that the position of H is 8. So how you will be getting 8 means simply add 7 plus 1, which is equals to 8. Simple, like that. Now, as there are 2 such things, we are supposed to implement for this also. Why? Because we can't blindly go by using the first one. Why? Because in this particular kinds of questions, we will be getting logic sometimes based on 2 different logics also. Okay, make sure that whatever you are thinking and whatever the examiner has been given, both are same or not. So see, R 18, M 13, N 14, T 20 positions. So just take the positions. So see, 14 plus 13, 27, 27 plus 20, 47, 47 plus 18, so 47, 18, how much? 15, 65, so 65. So here we are supposed to extend it to unit digit, so obviously answers are saying option number, I mean answer is E. So extend to unit digit, so 6 plus 5, which is nothing but 11. So again extend, so 11 in extend to 1 plus 1, which is nothing but B. So we know that the letter where the position 2 is based on the character called B. Now let's come to the question. So S position 19, simple. O position 15, L position 12, and V position 22. Add everything. 19 plus 15, 34. 34 plus 22, 46. 46 plus 22, 68. So 68. So 6 plus 8, 14. Again extend to unit digit. Why? Because if you look in the answers, everything is unit digit, like 2, 3, 4, 5, everything is unit digit. So that's why I'm extending to unit digit. So 6 plus 8, 14. So 1 plus 4, which is nothing but 5. So fifth letter according to dictionary is nothing but the letter called E. So here in the place of question mark, we can put E as my answer. Right? So everyone has given a good answer. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Next, I'll be taking it to the other question. So look at this particular question. So meanwhile, let me go with respect to the responses. Okay, fine. Time is over, but still I have not got response so far. Why? Because there is a difference of 30 seconds in between you and me. Okay, so see. या यहाँ पे संदेश सूर्यवंशी बता रहे हैं सर कोचिंग कब खुल रही है. लाइक बेटा ये तो गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर डिसाइड होता है, जब भी वो डिसाइड करेंगे तब हम लोग ओपन कर देंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द आंसर. राइट. तो यहाँ पे मुझे आंसर आने लगे. JUY प्रियंका, नाइस. केशवेंद्र सिंह सी बता रहे हैं. संदेश डी, मनीषा सी. अच्छा, यहाँ पे आंसर्स सी और डी के बीच में दोनों में शफल हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी कौन सा करेक्ट है. राइट. सो लेट्स टेक द पोजीशंस. लाइक सी, डी पोजीशन 4, H पोजीशन 8, L पोजीशन 12, P पोजीशन 16, T पोजीशन 20. यहाँ पे गैप कितना हो रहा है? +4 हो रहा है. लाइक 4 + 4 8, 8 + 4 12, 12 + 4 16 एंड 16 + 4 20. राइट. अब दूसरा रो देखते हैं. राइट. मतलब वट एवर द लेटर्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन देयर शुड बी सम रिलेशन. दैट इज व्हाट द थिंग. राइट. सो ब्लाइंडली विल गो फॉर हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. यहाँ पे +2 हो रहा है. +2 +2 +2 +2. So this row is purely of +4 and this row is purely of +2. So we'll go for the third row. Right. So 2, 6, 14, 18. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? +4 हो रहा है. Again it should be +4. तो 6 + 4. So 6 + 4 क्या हो रहा है? 10. And what is the 10th letter according to dictionary? Means simply we can say J. That means my answer should start with J. Obviously all the answers are based on the letter called J. राइट. सो लेट्स गो विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द नेक्स्ट. तो यहाँ पे +4 हो रहा है. मतलब ये और ये दोनों पैटर्न सेम हो रहा है. मतलब ये और ये का पैटर्न ये भी एक ही होगा. लाइक फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड रो आर बेस्ड ऑन द सेम पैटर्न. सिमिलरली सेकेंड रो एंड थर्ड रो विल बी बेस्ड ऑन द सेम पैटर्न. सो सी 19, 23, and you can say A as 1, right? So 19 plus 4, 23. 23rd letter is W, we know that already. Okay, sorry, 19 plus 2 na, 1 second, yeah, so यहाँ पे plus 49 plus 209. Why? Because it is based on row 2. So 19 plus 2, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 2, 25, and 25 plus 2, 27. So we can call A as 27, no issue at all. Okay, so 19 plus 2, 21, 21st letter is U, so J के बाद में U होना चाहिए, and 23 plus 2, 25, 25th letter is Y, so J U Y. So obviously our answer is option number D, right? Nice, very good. So everyone are getting the good responses, right? Then चलो next question को चलते हैं. So this is a matrix. So look at this particular question. This question is very easy. I think you can solve within a stipulated time, right? So check once. Right, let's see. Priyanka plus 2, sir. Okay, fine. That was the previous example. Now I changed the example. So go for this particular example. Let's see. So Sajda is saying hello. Hello Sajda. So Keshwinder Singh is saying 144. Let's see. Let's see. Adarsh is also saying 144. Nice. If more than 2 people are getting the same answer, then we can say that that will be the correct answer, depend upon the possibility which has been given. Right? So see, 24 into 6. Okay, fine. Let's see. Okay, fine. So I am getting the answers as 144, 144, 144. So see, 16 twos are. See, if you see, this first row is consisting of numbers which are more when compared with respect to second row as well as first row. So 16 twos are 32 and 32 threes are 96. Simple. So into 2 into 3, or you can say 16 6 are 96. You can say in either ways, no issue at all. Similarly, 24 twos are 48 and 48 threes are 144. So I have 144 in the option. So that's why you can blindly go with respect to 144. Check whether it is correct with respect to third row or not, third column. So see, 28 into 2, 56. So 56 into 3. So 56 into 3, 18. 15 plus 1, 16, 168. So into 2 into 3 will be the logic based on this particular question. So very good everyone. It is 144 beta Yadav. It is not 64. It is 144. Just clearly go with respect to the logic. Okay. Why? Because the numbers are purely increasing from bottom to top. Right? Then chalo. Next, let me take you to the other question. So look at this particular question. So this particular question is very interesting. Right? So check once with respect to this particular question. Sandesh Shuryavamsi is saying 10. 10 is the answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, so time's up, timer is up. Now, before starting this question, I want you to like this video and share to your friends maximum. Why? Because this particular concept is very, very, very important with respect to missing numbers. See, everything will be in front of you only. But make sure that how you will be getting the numbers with respect to the pattern which has been given. That is the first and foremost thing which is very important in this particular questions. Now see, whenever you can see matrix based, okay, matrix based means nothing but rows and columns. Okay, so that time you need to go with respect to the pattern. with respect to specifically taking a row or a column. Okay, so in the previous slide we have gone with respect to the first row where the numbers are big, but here if you see, you can find this is the column. So column 3 is consisting of numbers which are big. Not necessarily that, but make sure that whenever numbers are big, it is the amalgamation or it is the operation between the remaining two columns or remaining twos which are present, right? Chalo, let me tell you the logic. So I am getting answers as 12, 8, 10. Let's see how it is, right? So logic is simple. So make sure that whenever these kinds of questions are given, try to take sum or difference. That is one of the thing. Like see, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 16, 33, right? So 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 18, 33, right? Then 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 33, okay, 22, but you cannot find 22 here. So that's why we'll go for the other operation. So just to see, 12 by 2 is nothing but 6 and 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. So 6 plus 10, which is equals to 16. So by 2 into 2. So make sure that sum of rows or sum of columns, that is also one of the logic, but those are a little bit easy. So that's why this particular question has been based on the logic which is based on by 2 into 2. So just to see whether it is implementing for this or not. 8 by 2, 4, then 7 into 4, 8 by 2, 4, and 7 into 2, 14, by 2 into 2. So 14 plus 4, which is nothing but 18, simple, right? Then 6 by 2 is nothing but 3, then 3 into 2, which is nothing but 6. So 3 plus 6, which is equals to 9. So in the place of question mark, you can put the answer as option number A, 9, right? So check once. So I'm getting answers. So we are getting 10, 9, 6 plus 3 plus 1. Check once with respect to the logic. Okay. So 12 plus 5, 17, 17 minus 1, 16. You can say that. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 3, 13, 15 plus 3, 18. Right? So like that. Okay. Fine. Then chalo. Let me take you to question number 7. So most of the people are giving the same answers only. Right. Chalo. Question number 7 on the screen. This question is very easy when compared with respect to the previous examples. Right? So check with respect to this example. Let me know. Sachin is saying 30, Anu is saying 30, Sonu Kumar is saying 90, Adarsh is saying D, right? So let's see which pattern is working out with respect to this particular question. Okay, again, if you see this row, nothing but row number 4 is consisting of numbers which are big. Okay, that means row 4 is result of above rows. Above rows means nothing but rows 1, 2, 3. That means you need to do some operations with respect to 1, 2, 3, provided fourth one will be the result. Now see, logic directly I'll be saying, most of the people are giving the answers also. So see, 7 6 are 42, 42 2s are 84, simple. Then 8 9s are 72, 72 3s are 216, simple. Then 5 into x, let us say this is x, into 6, nothing but 5 into 6, 30. In order to get 900, multiply 30 by 30, provided 30 30s are 900. So simply you can put option number D. Right? So Varun, Kumar, Hariom, very good. So option number D. Right? Then, chalo. Let me take it to the next question. So look at this particular question. Let me know. This is also one of the easy question we can say. So for this question there will be two logics. So I'm getting answers 6, 6, 6, 6. Adarsh is saying 6, right? Then कुमार अनुपम सर प्लीज से हिंदी. अच्छा आई ट्राई, हिंदी में बोलने के लिए हिंदी में बताने के लिए ट्राई करता हूँ, राइट. अरशद अली सेइंग 9. ओके ठीक, लेट्स सी. ओके फाइन, लेट्स सी. Now if you see here, you cannot find numbers which are big. Like previously column 3 as well as row 4 we have seen there are numbers which are big. Now let's see whether there is any specific logic with respect to this question. So we can say that 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So divide 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. Then 6 plus 8, which is equals to 14. So 14 divided by 2, your answer is 7. So most of the people are giving 6 as their answer. So very good everyone. So see, 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 12. 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6. So your answer will be obviously answer 6, right? Otherwise in this question you will be having one more logic also. So see, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 8, 17 we can say. Then 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. That means the sum of the rows is equivalent we are getting, right? Similarly 4 plus 7, 11, and 11 plus 6 equals to 17, same, right? So we'll be getting two logics with respect to the different questions, but make sure that answer is same in both the logics. So make sure that whenever two logics are applied, make sure that there will be only one answer the examiner is thinking, okay? But here both the logics are matching with respect to the answer which we have got, okay, right? Very good. तो चलो next question के लिए चलते हैं. Question number 9. So look at this particular question. Let's see. So I am getting answers. Option number A 12, 12, B 5. अच्छा B 5 ऑप्शन A. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन को हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ट्राई करते हैं, राइट? So you can say that here in this particular question there are 8 quadrants like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Okay. So let's see whether number series is applicable in this particular question. So यहाँ पे number series अप्लाई होने की कुछ आवश्यकता है या नहीं, एक बार चेक करते हैं. Like see, तो मुझे आंसर आने लगे B5 12. So 12 आ रहा है और 5 आ रहा है, तो चेक करते हैं कि 12 है कि 5 है. ठीक, तो सी 2 5 7. तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि 2 5 7 7 क्वेश्चन मार्क 11 15 देन 3. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे कुछ भी असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग नहीं दिख रहा है, तो ये 3 को पहले लगा देते हैं, राइट? सो इट इज़ नॉट इन कंटिन्यूसली इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. सो पहले 3 हो गया, फिर से 2 हो गया, फिर से 5, देन 7 ही कंटिन्यू हुआ था, देन 11 दिख रहा है और 15 दिख रहा है, राइट? तो इसी वजह से इस क्वेश्चन को क्या करेंगे, मतलब आधा आधा बंटवारा करेंगे, राइट? सो विल ट्राई टू स्प्लिट इनटू हाफ हाफ, राइट? सो हियर विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू 7 and 15 वी हैव ए कनेक्शन, राइट? सो 7 into 2 plus 1 equals to 15, generally we can say, right? Then similarly 5 and 11 we have a connection, so 5 गुना 2, I mean 5 into 2 plus 1, which is equals to 11. So into 2 plus 1, so this is what the pattern which is being followed, right? So we will skip this 2. Why? Because in the place of question mark we need to get 2, so we'll go for the number called 3. So 3 into 2 plus 1, so 3 2s are 6, so 6 plus 1 is 7, राइट मतलब तीनों नंबर जो भी है वो सेम पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू 7, 5 और 3, मतलब 2 भी वही पैटर्न फॉलो करेगा. लाइक सी 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 1, तो यहाँ पे पैटर्न क्या रहा है, इंटू 2 प्लस 1. सो 2 इंटू 2 मतलब 4, सो 4 एंड 8 को ऐड करेंगे तो हम लोगों को कितना नंबर आ जाएगा, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 5. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वही आंसर दे रहे हैं, कुमार विवेक रॉय, कुमार अनुपम, ठीक, राइट. सो यस, तो चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए चलते हैं. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ऑन योर स्क्रीन, और इंटरेस्टिंग रहेंगे यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस, राइट. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, राइट. चेक वंस विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. Okay, fine. So here I am getting answers from Rupesh Sharma as 6, आदर्श बता रहा है 5. Let's see. यहाँ पे भी इक्वेशन में अगर देखेंगे तो लास्ट रो नथिंग बट 1 2 3 4 5. सो रो नंबर 5 इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ नंबर्स विच आर बिग, दैट मीन्स रो 5 इज द रिजल्ट. तो रो 5 हो रहा है रिजल्ट, मतलब ऊपर के नंबर्स को कुछ ना कुछ यूज़ करना पड़ेगा ताकि ए नंबर्स जो भी रिजल्ट आया है वो आने के लिए, राइट. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग स्पेसिफिकली देखेंगे तो 19 को 196 को 14 स्क्वायर कह सकते हैं, देन 121 को 11 स्क्वायर कह सकते हैं, 144 को 12 स्क्वायर कह सकते हैं, एंड 225 को 15 स्क्वायर कह सकते हैं, राइट. आंसर की बारिश होने लगी 5 5 6 6 बोल के. लेट्स सी कौन सा आ रहा है. सो सी 2 + 3 5, 5 + 4 9, 9 + 4 14. तो जो भी रिजल्ट आ रहा है उस नंबर का स्क्वायर कर लीजिए, बस उतना ही. ओके, नाउ सी 3 + 1 4, 4 + 2 6, then 6 + 5 11, 11 square is 121, simple. Then 4 + 4 8, 8 + 2 10, 10 + 2 12, 12 square is 144, simple. Then यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क को हम लोग पहचानेंगे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द रिमेनिंग नंबर्स. सो 2 + 6 8, 8 + 2 10. ओके, तो यहाँ पे रिजल्ट मुझे कितना आना है, 15 आना है. सो 10 को 5 ऐड कर दो कि 15 आ जाएगा, राइट. सो अगर यहाँ पे मैं 5 अगर ऐड करूँगा तो 5 + 2 7, 7 + 6 13, 13 + 2 15, तो 15 स्क्वायर इज 225. तो मैं क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह मैं यहाँ पे 5 लगा सकता हूँ. तो द आंसर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, राइट. यस, नाइस, वेरी गुड एवरीवन. देन चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए चलते हैं, राइट. ओके, यहाँ पे मुझे आंसर आना शुरू हो गया है, लाइक ऑप्शन बी 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 कह रहे लोग, राइट. लेट्स सी, ठीक. तो सी यहाँ पे ओनली नंबर्स के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे. लेट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ओनली ऑन द नंबर्स. सो सी 6 7 8 9 इज मिसिंग, 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. अच्छा ठीक है. सो लेट्स गो विथ रिस्पेक्ट द फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी पैटर्न. सो सी 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 12, then 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11 and 11 plus 4. अच्छा ठीक है, जस्ट अ मोमेंट, लेट मी चेंज द कलर, यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, राइट, ओके, so let's change the color to red. So 6 8, so 6 plus 2 8, then 8 plus 3 11 and 11 plus 4 is 15. तो plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट. सो 15 plus 5 which is nothing but 20. तो पहला नंबर आ गया है 20. So go with respect to the options where first is only 20. So ignore option A and option D. पहला और लास्ट का चेक कर लेते हैं क्योंकि दोनों का अलग अलग है, राइट. सो सी 7 plus 3 10, then 10 plus 4 14, then 14 plus 5 19. So plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. तो नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, प्लस 6 हो जाएगा. तो 19 plus 6 30 25 to 25. So my answer should start with 20 and end with 25. So obviously option number B is the answer. Right. So very good everyone, very good. Sanjeev Patel, Arshad Ali, okay, Sanjeev Patil, etc. Right. So very good everyone. So option number C, B will be the answer. एक बार चेक कर ले Sanjeev Patel. Right. Now if you want to go for the middle element, so see C, F, then J, O. Next what will be the number? So we can say this is 6, 3, 10, 15. So see 3, 4, 5. Next will be 6. So 15 plus 6 21. 21st letter is U. We know that already. Okay. So my answer will be option number B. Simple. Right. तो सभी लोगों को मुबारक हो, बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हैं. Then we'll go for the next question. Question number 12. Right. So look at this particular question. Let's see. ओके लेट्स सी, आंसर तो आने लगे हैं. सी सी सी, शानी पांडे बता रहे सी. राइट. लेट्स सी इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स बीच में जो है द नंबर विच इज इन द मिडिल विच इज कॉल्ड एज 28. 28 should be the result of the remaining numbers like 5 3 2 4. Right. So let's see randomly by using hit and trail. Okay. So 5 into 3 15, 15 into 4 60, 60 into 2 120. No, you are not getting if you do the multiplication. Right. Let's go with respect to the squares. So 5 square 4 square. 5 square is 25, then 4 square is 16. So 25 16. We'll go with respect to the numbers which are opposite with respect to each other. So 25 and 16, the result is 41. Similarly, we will go with respect to the other numbers like 3 2. So 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. Okay. So 9 plus 4 which is nothing but 13. So take the difference of 41 and 13. So 41 13 कितना आ रहा है 21 which is nothing but the 28 which is nothing but the number which is in the middle 28. राइट. तो यहाँ पे इसको यूज़ करते हैं लाइक 8 स्क्वायर इज 64, देन 4 स्क्वायर इज 16. राइट. सो 64 प्लस 16 कितना हो रहा है 80 हो रहा है. राइट. देन 8 स्क्वायर विच इज़ नथिंग बट 64 विच इज़ दिस 8. और यहाँ पे वी नीड टू गो विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके. कितना करना है सच दैट द रिजल्ट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 12. राइट. सो कितना करना है जस्ट सी एनी आंसर? तो यहाँ पे आंसर आ रहा है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 ऑप्शन नंबर 3. ओके, संजीव पटेल बता रहे हैं, वरुण सिंह इज ऑल्सो सेइंग, दीप्ति अनिश इज सेइंग ये, कृतिका सिंह इज सेइंग बी. राइट, सो लेट्स सी. तो कैसे करना है? द रिजल्ट शुड बी 80 माइनस एक्स, वट एवर इट इज, इट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू 12. तो कैसे है बताए? राइट, सो फाइनल आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. राइट, सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी बता रहे 2 और 4 के बीच में यहाँ पे झगड़ा चल रहा है, वेदर इट इज 2, 3 और 4 और वट एवर इट इज. राइट, सो चेक वंस, carry on. So most of the people are saying option number 2. Okay, so see, let me put 2. So in 2 option we have the 2. Right, so let's see whether I am getting 12 or not. Right, so 8 square, which is nothing but 64, then 4 square, which is nothing but 16. So 84 plus 16 equals to 80, simple. Then 8 square, which is nothing but 64. Then if I put 2 square means nothing but 4. So 64 plus 4 कितना हो रहा है? 68 हो रहा है. So the difference between 68 and 80 is equals to 12, which I want to get in the given circle, which is in the inner circle, which is the number in the inner circle. So here I have put the number called 2. So that's why your answer is obviously option number 2. Okay, so most of the people have said 3, 2. There are some confusion in between. There is some confusion between option 2 and option 3, but ultimately I have put option B 2 in the place of question mark, such that my result is 12. Okay, nice, very good. तो सभी लोगों को बढ़िया है, बढ़िया कर रहे हो. Then we'll go with respect to question number 13. Right, so check this question, let's see. So हरिओम. ओके, प्रियंका राजपूत ऑप्शन 2, नाइस, वेरी गुड. अच्छा, वो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन का है, राइट. ओके, फाइन. नाउ क्वेश्चन हैज बीन चेंज्ड, यू जस्ट लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. Okay, fine. Let's look at this particular question now. Yeah, fine. So chalo, let me take you to this particular question. So here no operation is being done, so most of the people bata rahe 18, 18 as their answer. So see, 7 2s are 14. Okay, 5 2s are 10. Similarly 9 2s are 18. So our answer is obviously option number D, 18. So most of the people are saying the same answer. Nice, very good everyone. So simply I'll be going with respect to the next question. Why? Because this is very easy logic. Okay, so question number next one. So check once with respect to this particular question. Let's see. So can you please zoom the picture? I cannot zoom, but I can write it here. Okay, so if you feel you are unable to see, you can go with respect to the diagram which I have given you. Right, so check once. Okay, So time's up for this question. So let's see. I am getting answers as option 38 is the answer I am getting. Bhupendra. Let's see whether this is correct or not. Now see 9, 13, 22 question mark. Right? So 9, 13 the difference we can say it as 4. 13, 22 we can say the difference as 9. And we know that 4 can be called as 2 square and 9 can be called as 3 square. So 2 square, 3 square, next will be 4 square. Simple. Right? So 4 square is 16. So add 16 to 22. Your answer is 38. So obviously you can go with respect to option number 8. So 38 is the correct answer. So very good everyone. Shani Pandey, Priyanka Rajput. Okay, Pragati Gupta. Nice. Very good. So I'll be taking you to the next question. Sabhi log badhiya kar rahe hai. Nice. Very good. So look at this particular question. I'll be writing beside those who are unable to see 13, 19, 29 question mark. So I'm getting answer 38, option A 40. Acha. Okay, let's see. 38 is not there in the option. Sajida, check once. Right. Okay. So see. Now let's see the previous funda is applicable here or not. So 13, 19, 29 question mark. So 13, 19 the difference we can call it as 6 and 19, 29 the difference we can call it as 10. That means generally if you see it is incrementing by 4. Okay, यहाँ पे 6 plus 4 10 हो रहा है and 10 plus 4 14 होगा. So 29 plus 14 means 43. But you cannot find 43 in the options. मतलब ये logic गलत है. Right? Now let's use the other logic with respect to this question. Right? तो यहाँ पे logic क्या हो रहा है मतलब this logic is purely based on prime numbers. Okay? So prime numbers हम लोगों को already पता है like 13, 17, 19. यहाँ पे 17 यूज नहीं किया गया था. Then 19 के बाद 21 नहीं होगा 23 होगा. Then 23 के बाद 27 नहीं होगा. Then 29 होगा. So 1 is skipped. Then after 29, next prime number is 31. 33 is not a prime number and 37 is a prime number. So you can ignore 31. So that means obviously your answer is option number C, 37. So this particular question is purely based on skipping of prime numbers. Right? So हमेशा into 2 plus 2 और into 1 minus 1 या फिर into 4 minus 3 ऐसे लॉजिक्स नहीं होंगे. यहाँ पे skipping of the prime numbers भी एक लॉजिक हो सकता है with respect to these kinds of questions. राइट तो चलो नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. राइट या राइट सो सी या हाँ नेहा गुप्ता ये IBPS RRB ऑफिस असिस्टेंट क्लास है क्या सर? सर प्लीज़ बताएं. नहीं यार नहीं डियर, दिस इज़ नॉट IBPS RRB क्लास. ये मिसिंग नंबर्स का एक स्पेशल क्लास चल रहा है जो SSC एग्ज़ाम के लिए पूछे जाएंगे. मिसिंग नंबर्स. राइट. सो लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. सो BD 18, 35 SD. सो हियर 2 क्वेश्चन मार्क्स आर गिवन. दैट मीन्स आई नीड 2 नंबर्स. यहाँ पे 2 नंबर चाहिए मुझे. राइट. सो सी 18 को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ लाइक 2 + 16 ब्लाइंडली. राइट. एंड हम लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है कि B पोजीशन 2 होगा और D पोजीशन 4 होगा. 4 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 16. राइट. लेट मी यूज दिस. S पोजीशन 19, D पोजीशन 4. सो 4 का स्क्वायर ले लेते हैं. सो 19 प्लस 16 विच इज इक्वल्स टू 35 प्रेजेंट इन द थर्ड कॉलम एज द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल M के ले लेते हैं. M पोजीशन हो गया 13 और K पोजीशन हो गया 11. तो 13 प्लस 11 का स्क्वायर कर देंगे. सो 11 का स्क्वायर कितना हो रहा है 121. सो 13 प्लस 121 कितना हो रहा है 134. सिंपल. सिमिलरली K पोजीशन 11, Q पोजीशन 17. सो 17 स्क्वायर होगा 289. सो 289 प्लस 11 कितना हो रहा है 300. यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट. राइट. नाउ सी DS. सो DS को कितना होगा लेट्स सी. सो D पोजीशन S पोजीशन. सो D पोजीशन हो गया 4 एंड S पोजीशन हो गया 19. सो 19 का स्क्वायर कर लेते हैं. 19 स्क्वायर कितना होता है 361 और 381. 361 होता है. राइट. सो 361 प्लस 4 कितना हो रहा है 365 हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स माई आंसर शुड स्टार्ट विथ 365. तो यहाँ पे आंसर आने लगे. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, संजीव पटेल. लेट्स सी. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. विल गो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द सेकंड ऑल्सो. MU. M पोजीशन हो गया 13 और U पोजीशन हो गया 21. सो 13 प्लस 21 का स्क्वायर. सो 21 स्क्वायर कितना हो रहा है 13 प्लस 21 स्क्वायर इज 441. तो दोनों को ऐड कर ले. सो 454. ओके. सो योर आंसर इज 365 in the first question mark and 454 in the second question mark. So my answer is option number D. So D answer is right. So obviously Indian AK-47. right. तो यहाँ पे एक बार चेक कर ले. Then I'll go for the next question. So this question is purely based on different logic so far which we have not seen. right. तो चलो next question के लिए चलते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So look at this particular question. तो इसको मैं थोड़ा सा मैक्सिमाइज करके लिख देता हूँ so that it will be easy for you. Five, 10, 26, 50, question mark 170. So what will be the answer for this question? It's not clear. हाँ मैं फिर से लिखा था यहाँ पे. right. check once. So 5, 10, 26, 50, question mark 170. राइट. सो कुछ आंसर बताए थे कोई. राइट. मे बी क्लियर नहीं है इसी वजह से. दैट माइट बी वन ऑफ द रीज़न. ओके. सो माई मिस्टेक. सो सी 5, 10, 26, 50, क्वेश्चन मार्क 170. राइट. तो यहाँ पे नंबर सीरीज कुछ लगाया गया था. लेट्स चेक. राइट. So 5, 5, here it is 16, here it is 24, यहाँ पे पता नहीं, यहाँ पे पता नहीं. राइट. आर वी गेटिंग एनी लॉजिक हियर? यहाँ पे कुछ लॉजिक दिख रहा है? नहीं. ओके. तो इस पैटर्न को और इस लॉजिक को हम लोग हटा देते हैं. देन विल गो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द अदर लॉजिक. ओके. देन मैं 5 कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? 5 आई कैन राइट इट एज 4 + 1 विच इज़ नथिंग बट 2 स्क्वायर + 1. सिंपल. देन 10 कितना हो रहा है 3 स्क्वायर + 1 विच इज़ नथिंग बट 9 + 1. देन 25 + 1. सो 25 को 5 स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. सो 5 स्क्वायर + 1. देन 50 7 स्क्वायर + 1. तो यहाँ पे 2, 3, 5, 7 मतलब ये सभी कंसेक्यूटिव सेट क्या हो रहा है? दे आर द प्राइम नंबर्स. सिंपल. ओके. तो नेक्स्ट 9 नहीं होगा 11 होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे 170 दिया गया था. 170 मतलब 169 + 1 विच इज़ नथिंग बट 13 स्क्वायर + 1. तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर के नंबर्स और क्यूब के नंबर्स के करीब करीब नंबर्स भी ऐड करना लाइक याद रखना पड़ेगा. लाइक इट कैन बी प्रीवियस और इट कैन बी नेक्स्ट. प्लस हो सकता है या माइनस हो सकता है कुछ भी. राइट. तो यहाँ पे 11 यूज़ कर लेते हैं. 11 स्क्वायर + 1. सो 11 स्क्वायर मतलब 121 + 1. तो कितना हो रहा है आंसर? 122 हो रहा है. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर C. right? So Adarsh, it is not 100, it is 122. Check once. Why? Because 9 square you cannot take. Why? Because 9 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 skip 11, then 13, like that. Okay, so that is what the pattern that has been used. Okay, then quickly we'll go for the next question. So next question I'll be writing again on the screen. Check once. 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. Okay, then question mark. Check once. मैं यहाँ पे comments देखता हूँ. Previous question is not clear. Sachin Dubey. See, previous question is purely based on squares plus 1. Like 5. 5 is 2 square plus 1. Similarly, 10. 10 is 3 square plus 1. Then 26. 5 square plus 1. 50. 7 square plus 1. Remaining guys, kindly go with respect to the question which I have written. Then 2, 3, 5, 7. Then question mark. Then 170. So 170 we can write it as 13 square plus 1. The 13 square is 169. 169 plus 1, 170. तो यहाँ पे प्राइम नंबर्स यूज़ किया गया था, लाइक 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. तो 11 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 121. सो 121 को 1 से ऐड कर लो तो कितना हो रहा है? 122 हो रहा है. सो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, राइट. तो यहाँ पे आंसर मुझे आने लगे 336, 336, 336. अच्छा, उससे पहले वाला. अच्छा, ठीक है, राइट. सो सी 6 you can write as 2 cube minus 2. Okay, then 24. So 24 you can write it as 5 cube minus, sorry, 3 cube minus 5. 3 cube minus 3. So 3 cube minus 3. Then 60. 4 cube minus 4. So 4 cube is 64. 64 minus 4 is 60. Simple. Then 120. 5 cube minus 5. Then 6 cube minus 6. So 216 minus 6, 210. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. तो इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है 1 टाइम. So 7 cube minus 7. So 343 minus 7. The answer is 336. So everyone has got the same answer. Okay, so nice, very good. So most of the people have said 336 as their answer, right? Nice. Chalo, next let me take you to the other question. So look at this particular question. यहाँ पे मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूँ. Those who are unable to see, just cross check. 15, 30, 110, question mark, right? So look at this particular question. 5, 10, 15, 30, 110. Okay, fine. Let's see whatever the answers I am getting. यहाँ पे आंसर बता रहे आदर्श. आदर्श is saying 240. अच्छा, okay. Let's see how it is possible. Now see, 5, 10. If you use the previous 5, 10, 15, 30, 110, question mark. So you can say 5 2s are, or you can say 5 plus 10, 15. Then 15 plus 15, 30, and again 30 plus 30, it should be 60, but here it is given 110, right? So let's use the opposite numbers concept. Opposite numbers means with respect to the diagram which he has given, right? From 5 you can get 30. How can you get 30? 5 square plus 5, which is nothing but 25 plus 5, which is equals to 30. Similarly, go with respect to this number, 10 square plus 10. So 10 square is 100. So 100 plus 10, which is equals to 110. Simple. Then go with respect to this number. So 15 square plus 15. So 15 square is 225. And add 15. So for 225 plus 15 is how much? Means simply we can say 240. So most of the people have given 240 as their answer. Okay, so not clearly visible. इसी वजह से मैं इधर I have written in the left side such that it will be visible for you. Okay, so now we will go with respect to the last question in this particular session, right? So last question on your screen. So I hope this particular question is visible. If not, I'll write again. So see, 12, 20, 18, 27, 30, 6, 16, 13, 12, 9, 5, 10, question mark, 11, 4, question mark. So any answer for this question? Let me know. Okay, so this number is the result. Make sure that middle number, whatever it is present, it is the result. Okay, so see, I am getting answer 12, 9. Okay, Adarsh is saying 12. Mahesh Chitti is saying 9. So let's see how it is 12 or 9 with respect to the options. So see, 27 plus 18. We can say it as 45. Then 12 plus 13. We can say it as 25. So difference between 45 and 25 is 20, which is the result. Now go for this particular also. Why? Because it is satisfying or not, we don't know. So 16 plus 12, which is nothing but 28. 6 plus 9, which is nothing but 15. So 28, 15, the difference is 13. Simple. Whatever we have got. So यहाँ पे answer आ रहा है 9. Okay, let's see. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Then 10 plus 11 कितना हो रहा है? 21. Okay. So what is the difference between 21 and 9? Means simply we can say 12. तो यहाँ पे question mark के place में हम लोगों को क्या आएगा? 21 आ जाएगा. Right? तो यहाँ पे the answer of this particular question is option number B, 12. Okay. So with respect to this particular question, I am ending the session. So for the next session, we will meet on the next Wednesday or next Sunday if possible. Right, we'll go with respect to the new topic. I hope you have got some of the idea with respect to these kinds of questions. Right, so thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So thank you everyone.